Hello, good morning, and welcome everyone to today's live trading session on Thursday. 2 days left in the week, Thursday on July 21 from 2022, 9:24 a.m., less than 6 minutes for the market to open, getting ready for a new session. We are watching right now Nasdaq that is fading, following SP 500 and the Dow that are both on the red. So we have SP 500 down 0.2%, we have the Dow down 0.4%, and we have Nasdaq right now is up 0.2% to start the day, but fading from the highs. So we have a kind of interesting week when where things extended for the upside. But one of the things that I told you on the trading plan, okay, so from Monday to Friday, I give you the trading plan for the day. And one of the things that I told you is if you are long, you should be taking your gains on the way up, not adding to the longs. That's one of the things that we did. For example, on AMD, I got long at $73 on the stock. I took gains $10 up. $83, so plus $10 per share. I'm very happy. It's at 89. What you don't have here, you buy at the low and sell on the high when the stock is going higher. For me, $10 per share, it was a very nice gain in just a couple of days. So I'm good moving into the next one. So right now, if you are long on AMD, for example, it's at above 89, you should be taking most of your gains, raise the stops on the rest, and eventually your stops get hit, and you look for the next one. In my opinion, stocks are getting too much extended, especially on tech land. AMD, Apple, big move on Apple. I believe that it was at above 154, okay, 154 in the pre-market, now fading. AMD also fading a bit. Meta is actually on the red. Microsoft, yesterday, big move on Microsoft. We played Microsoft twice, okay? Here, right at the open for a red to green move, very nice. Then we lock the gains and re-enter once again around 10 a.m. Gave plenty of time and boom. I took the gains way too soon, but the trade more than doubled. But I took my gains and moved to the next one. So that's one of the key rules that I have. Trade for a living and looking for ways to generate cash flow on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So one of the focus will be Tesla today. It was above 769 in a couple of minutes, fade $5. 764, so I want to see if it fails below 764. It can fill the gap at 751.99. Something 3 minutes for the market open, guys. Something similar to what we saw Netflix, it was a gap up, faded, filled the gap and bounced. So something similar can happen here on Tesla, keeping my eyes. Also Nvidia, semis had a big move, but are a bit extended. Nvidia 179, if extend as a gap to fill at $180.41 for possible gap filling, but if not able to do it, can fade 175, 172 can be one of the spots to watch. So that's pretty much it that I'll be looking. Some profit taking, a pause, it would be healthy, okay? But in my opinion, it all depends here on Tesla. If they sell 765 right now, if they sell it below 765, can fill the gap down. But if they squeeze it some more, then we can have some bounces on the market for a red to green move, extend some more. But once again, on the way up, you should be trimming your gains, not adding to the position. IWM this week, I've been fighting a little bit with IWM. I've been looking for a fade. It's fading this morning, $180.50, so $1 down from the close. I want to see if it's able to hold here and bounce, okay? If it goes above 181.81, can go into 183.5, but if it fails below 180, watch out. 178, we have the 8-day moving average at 175. So can have a big pullback, and IWM, it will be also a focus, okay? Because once again, things getting a little bit extended, very overbought. Overbought can remain overbought, yes, but in my opinion, it would be healthy. A pullback, a fade, clear a little bit the overbought conditions, 1, 2 days, and from there we will reevaluate what's next. But once again, keeping open-minded, when less than 1 minute for the market to open, guys, 50 seconds. Keeping open-minded, one of the things, protect your cash. Yesterday it was nice on Microsoft, but now a little bit more tricky because shorting has been tricky. So be careful and try to generate some cash flow, and we will see. There is a relentless bid on this market, but it will not last forever. So if they pull the bid out, then we can have a big fade, so be careful. Okay, so 20 seconds for the market to open and entering trading mode. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opened with a big gap on Tesla. Tesla, big move. Tesla, big move. Big squeeze on Tesla, Amazon. So big moves on some of those names. Big move on Tesla. I got some puts on Tesla. Trimming some on Tesla. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Trimming some more on Tesla. I sold Tesla, looking for other re-entry. Got back into Tesla. Okay, we have some fadings. Amazon fading. AMD pushing back up once again. I sold Tesla. This is big horse here. Big move on Tesla, Jesus. Back at 5. Okay, Amazon fading. But Tesla is just amazing. Tesla keeps going. Just okay, Amazon fading. Amazon fading. Tesla fading. Trimming some on Tesla. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Trimming some more on Tesla. Amazon fading. Boeing fading, Meta fading, Apple fading. Trying to be patient. Trimming some more on Tesla. Not easy, but cash flow. Apple going red. Apple going red. Trying to be patient here with Tesla. Wild horse. Jesus. Amazon on the red, Boeing on the red. AMD on the red, Nvidia on the red, Microsoft on the red. Trim some more on Tesla. Sold Tesla. Jesus. What the freaking horse. What the big rip. Okay, market trying to bounce. Market trying to bounce. Okay, Microsoft trying to bounce now. Microsoft trying to bounce. I got some calls on Microsoft. Microsoft bouncing. Microsoft bouncing. Microsoft trying to bounce. Let's see. Tesla keeps going. What the freaking beast. We going on Microsoft. Microsoft going. Microsoft going. Here we go, Microsoft. Trimming some on Microsoft. I got back into Tesla puts. Trim some on Tesla. We are long on Microsoft. Again, let's see if Microsoft is able to push into new highs on the day. I'm holding long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. It's a tricky short, but Tesla seems a little bit overbought. Trimming some on Tesla. Microsoft trying to hold. Trying to hold Microsoft and Tesla short. Microsoft long, Tesla short. Tesla coming now. Okay, let's see. Tesla coming. Tesla coming. Here we go. Trimming some at 5. Here we go. Tesla coming. Trimming some above 5. So we are long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. Okay, Microsoft pushing. I'm keeping for now the short on Tesla. Trying to be patient. We are long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. Microsoft pushing. Microsoft pushing. Microsoft going. Here we go, guys. Come on, push. Microsoft going. Looking to sell the rest on Tesla. Trimming some more on Microsoft. We keep long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. I'm trying to hold Microsoft long for now and Tesla short. So I'm long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. So far, wild horse, that Tesla. Tesla gave quick ins and outs, but PayPal, some bull flow on PayPal. PayPal going. PayPal going on some bull flow. PayPal going. PayPal going. So we are long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. I'm trying to hold Tesla short with patience. This is a tricky one, wild horse Tesla. Microsoft going. Microsoft going. We need another push. Microsoft going. Nice on Microsoft, guys. Nice on Microsoft. Trimming some more on Microsoft. Cash flow. This market is pretty much crazy. PayPal explodes on bull flow. PayPal explodes up on bull flow, guys. PayPal ripping up. PayPal ripping up. Big move on PayPal. Big move. PayPal keeps going. We are long on Microsoft and short on Tesla. Tesla seems tired, but that's a wild horse, Tesla. So who knows? I'm holding the long on Microsoft. PayPal, big move. Big move on PayPal on that bull flow. Congratulations. Trying to be patient here with the Microsoft long. We are long on Microsoft. RIVN, some bull flow on RIVN. I got some calls on the RIVN. I had on RIVN. Sold Tesla. So I'm long on RIVN and Microsoft. Some bull flow on RIVN. RIVN bull flow. What a big move, guys. What the freaking move. Bull flow on RIVN. Not sure if news, but I'm trimming. Jesus. No clue what happened here, but saw bullish options activity on RIVN. That was very fast. I'm long now on RIVN and Microsoft. I sold Tesla. I'm with patience on Microsoft. And yeah, the long on RIVN. gave some quick cash flow. Now let's see. Was very fast on RIVN. I just pressed the button. Maybe news. Not sure what the news, but maybe news on RIVN. RIVN holding the momentum. RIVN holding. Here we go. Here we go. New highs on the day on RIVN. Here we go. That's it. Bring it on, guys. RIVN going. Come on. Push. Push. Nice one. RIVN new highs on the day. Nice move on RIVN. RIVN going. Not sure if news, but yeah, RIVN had a big move on bullish options activity. Started with the calls 33, but we are seeing now calls 34, 35, 36. Jesus. A lot of calls here on RIVN, maybe news. Let's see if the momentum keeps holding. Microsoft, I'm long on Microsoft with patience. Okay, RIVN pushing. RIVN pushing. Big move on RIVN. Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. RIVN exploding. RIVN. What the freaking move, and explodes. RIVN explodes. Well done, guys. Well done. What the freaking train. Well done. Bullish options activity came out of on RIVN and pulled the trigger, and out of nowhere we are making 90% gains as we speak. Amazing. Freaking amazing. Seems that Amazon and RIVN have a plan to bring thousands of custom electric vehicles more than 100 cities. So there is news with RIVN and Amazon. So that's why we are popping up on RIVN. Well done, guys. Well done. What a pretty nice job. Very nice job. Microsoft now going. Okay, Microsoft new highs on the day, following our calls. Microsoft new highs on the day. Microsoft new highs on the day. Nice one on Microsoft. Microsoft, I like Microsoft because it gave time. Okay, it gave time. Trimming some more on the RIVN. 150 from 80 cents. From 80 cents to 150. Microsoft also going. Microsoft, it gave time, so it was a nice one because it gave time. It gave several entries on Microsoft. Right now making 35% gains as we speak. Microsoft new highs on the day. So let's see if Microsoft is able to go from green from red to green. Microsoft going. Jamming some more Microsoft. RIVN going. RIVN explodes. Oh boy, RIVN explodes. New highs on the day on the RIVN. RIVN going. What a freaking move, guys. RIVN going. Woo! Okay. Lifting off. RIVN. What a freaking move. Well done, my friends. Microsoft going now. Home run. Home run. RIVN. Home run. RIVN just out of this world. Just out of this world, guys. Nice move on RIVN. Okay, Microsoft 150. Microsoft, nice push. Okay, I'm out of RIVN. Nice move. Took the gains. Okay, I'm out on RIVN. It was a great one on RIVN. So on RIVN we had the calls 33. See that the low of the day was at 51 cents. I start seeing the flow at 70 cents, and when I pressed the button, filled at 80, and boom, skyrocket, gone all the way into 180. I closed mine above 170, so more than a double, and I'm done. Congratulations, everyone. Now things getting a little bit choppy again. Now things lagging a bit. I'm trying to be patient here with Microsoft, but Microsoft lagging a bit. Okay, I sold Microsoft. And I'm out. I got some puts on Tesla. Let's see if it fails now. Okay, let's see. Trying with patience. I had on Tesla. Looking for some profit taking. Let's see. Tesla fading. Jesus. Tesla is a wild horse. A lot of momentum on Tesla. RIVN still holding the momentum. RIVN keeps going. RIVN keeps going. Nice momentum on RIVN. RIVN keeps going. RIVN keeps going. Amazing. RIVN keeps going. Amazing, guys. Just amazing. Beautiful trade on RIVN. RIVN new highs on the day. RIVN new highs on the day. Well done, guys. Well done. Apple week. Apple week. Apple is one of the weakest names right now. Very, very weak. Apple week. Apple new lows on the day. Okay, we have Apple fading. We have Microsoft fading. We have Meta fading. Trimming some Tesla at 7. Apple fading. Meta fading. Boeing fading again. RIVN was the best trade of the day so far. Microsoft, it was nice, and we did well locking those gains. Tesla has been giving some cash flow, but not easy. It has been a big wild horse, big bull there. Microsoft trying to bounce. Microsoft bouncing. Microsoft bouncing. IWM trying to bounce. Once again, there is a relentless speed on this market. RIVN was great. Microsoft also gave very nice cash flow. But tricky action. Apple faded, but not falling apart. I got some calls on Apple. I got calls on Apple. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Tesla coming. Here we go, Tesla. Nice. Nice on Tesla. Trimming some more above 7 on Tesla. Nvidia fading. So semis are weak. Semi-land fading. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Okay, come on guys. Fade it some more. Tesla fading. Got stopped on Apple. I'm holding the Tesla puts. I'm holding the Tesla puts. Tesla coming. Tesla coming. Tesla coming. I got some more puts on Tesla. Tesla coming. Tesla coming. Here we go, guys. Here we go. That's it. Tesla coming. That's it. Come on. Push. Trimming some on Tesla. Okay, Tesla coming. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Come on. Bring it down. Tesla fading. Need some more. Tesla has a gap to fill at 751. SPY lows of the day, IWM lows of the day, Cubes lows of the day. AMD, Nvidia. I had some more on Tesla. UNG natural gas spiking up. UNG spike up. UNG big spike up. Spike up. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Trimming some on Tesla. Natural gas keep ripping. UNG new highs on the day. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Tesla coming. Big move on natural gas. Tesla coming. Come on guys, here we go. That's it. Bring it down. Here we go. Tesla fading. Trimming some. Tesla coming. The gap on Tesla fills at 751, guys. Here we go. Tesla coming. Trimming some more on Tesla. Take trades, guys. Take trades. Trying to be patient. So we have Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, AMD, Meta, Spire, WM, Cubes at the lows. So yeah, we have 1 hour on this market, and yeah, it was a tricky place. We have been playing with, we played Microsoft Bounce. We have been playing with Tesla puts, fading a little bit the momentum. The best trade of the day was on the RIVN, on bull flow, out of nowhere, big pop, we doubled, and that was the trade of the day so far. And yeah, we have a weak action on most of the names, and we have semi-land fading, we have tech fading. So now I'm trying to be a little bit more patient here with Tesla. Okay, I sold Tesla. I sold. Too much risk for me. So tricky market. It's very hard to short. We played the short on Tesla. It gave some cash flow, but yeah, it's hard. We timed well the fades, but it was a hard one. On Microsoft we played the bounce, but it stalled. Now we need to see what's next. I'm trying to put here a bottom. AMD also bouncing, so the shorts are not easy. Shorts are not easy. Apple bouncing. Okay, I got some calls on Apple and Microsoft. So I got calls on Microsoft and Apple. So we got back into Microsoft and Apple. Now let's see if the momentum holds. Okay, let's see. AMD and AMD is bouncing. AMD is bouncing. So we are back long on Apple and Microsoft. Cash flow, guys. This is not an easy market. So I'm long on Microsoft and Apple for now. Okay, bouncing. Bouncing. Microsoft also bouncing from 258. We are long on Microsoft and Apple. If you remember, we played earlier, we played some calls on both. So I closed and gave a little bit more time. Now, let's see if they squeeze it. But this market is tough. It's tough. AMD coming. Amazing the strength on AMD. AMD still has a gap to fill at 94. AMD going. Amazing the strength on AMD. So Apple, let's see. So far so good on Apple. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. I'm trying to be patient, trying to see where this move is going to take us. So far so good. AMD very strong, amazing on AMD, guys, amazing. AMD goes back green. Amazing, just amazing. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. Apple goes back into green. Apple goes back green. Apple going. SPY so far inside day. So it faded, but not falling apart. So far inside action on the SPY. On IWM, pretty much the same. So far we have inside days. So they are clearing the overbought conditions with the inside action. So I'm trying to hold with patience on Microsoft. Microsoft, it was a name that yesterday gave us very nice cash flow. We played it twice, and Microsoft needs above 260. And that's a name that can squeeze big time. Okay, so we saw many other names that that moved higher. Okay, we saw Apple, we saw Meta, we saw AMD, we saw Nvidia, we even saw Tesla. Okay, big move and very hard to fade. Microsoft has been lagging. If it plays catch up, can be a big squeeze, but once again needs above 262. AMD, Amazon stalled, but same thing, not falling apart. So they are pretty much holding the momentum for now. Apple trying to push. Tesla, this is just a wild beast. Happy to have closed the puts. Tesla keeps going. AMD pushing. If it goes above $90, you watch 94 on AMD. Nvidia also bouncing from the lows. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. SPY holding 393 for now. If they push above 395, you watch a big explosion in the $400. Tesla, it's amazing. I may confess, I'm a little bit surprised. I was expecting a bigger fade on Tesla. That did not happen. So congratulations to the longs. I tried to fade, but yeah, strong. Strong name, strong action. AMD keeps pushing. Nvidia bouncing. AMD still did not fill the gap at 180. Nvidia, the gap fills 180, 40. So it's now at 178. Nvidia going. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. Meta bouncing also. Inside day. A lot of inside actions. Microsoft also bouncing. Amazon bouncing. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Apple coming. Microsoft also. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. AMD exploding up. Nvidia goes green to red, red to green. Apple coming. Nice move, guys. Nice move. Nice move so far. Apple coming. So we are long on Apple and Microsoft. Apple, it gave time to enter on Apple and Microsoft. Here we go. We tried the first time and it was not the right time, so I waited, and we got the second entry on both Apple and Microsoft. So Apple goes green, Microsoft it's coming. Microsoft needs to push back above 260 and above that 262 to go. AMD new highs on the day, amazing. AMD new highs on the day. Amazon also, Amazon goes green to red, red to green. Amazon, nice one. Amazon going. So yeah, they keep buying the pullbacks. So SPY is almost green. SPY is almost green. The gap on SPY fills at 401. $401. SPY right now 394. So yeah, watch out. And we are long on Apple and Microsoft. I trim some on Apple. Apple needs to go back above 154. Okay, Microsoft. As I've been saying, Microsoft is one of those names that it has been lagging, and it can try to squeeze hard. So yesterday the move stalled at 265. If it goes back above 265, watch out, can go all the way into 269. So yeah, that can go crazy. Meta coming fast now. The gap on Meta fills at 183.68. Okay, Microsoft coming now. Microsoft coming, Apple coming. Tesla just freaking amazing. New highs on the day. I should have played with the calls. Happens. Here we go. Microsoft coming. Come on. Microsoft coming. Here we go. Come on, guys. Push. Microsoft coming. Apple coming. Apple also. If Apple goes above 154, watch out. Needs to go above 154.5, and above that, watch out, can be a big short squeeze. Microsoft looking for a red to green move with patience. We are long on Microsoft and Apple, guys. Apple coming. Apple coming. Come on, guys. Push. That's it. Microsoft coming. Microsoft exploding. Here we go. Push. Here we go. Microsoft coming fast now. Microsoft coming fast. Trimming some at 1. Trimming some more on Apple. Cash flow, guys. Cash flow. So we are long on Microsoft and Apple. Trimming profits on the way. Microsoft is one of the names that AKM, guys, some bull flow, AKM. AKM going. AKM going. AKM exploding. Bull flow on AKM. Going now. AKM going. AKM explodes. Big move. Bull flow once again. Similar to RIVN. But AKM can really beast up. I saw some calls on AKM. I gave the calls. It was at 92.5 strike and also at 93.5 strikes. So yeah, going nicely. AKM, congratulations. AKM going. Nice one, guys. Gave you at 91. Right now, almost at 93. Come on. AKM above 93. Big move. You are seeing this live. Nice on AKM, guys. Very similar to RIVN. Saw bullish options activity on the name out of nowhere, and boom, gone. We have flow all the way into calls 93.5 and 95. Big supply zone all the way between 94 to 95, but it has a gap to fill at 96. So not sure if it's going to fill the gap at 96.7. So AKM gap fills at 96.7. Big move, new highs on the day on AKM. You are seeing this live, and AKAM. Big move. So we have a big supply zone at 94. The gap fills at 96. And going. And going. Woo! Woo! Skyrocket, guys. Skyrocket. You are seeing this live. First level 8 at 95 and going. And going. Beautiful move, guys. Big move. Big move with the calls 92.5, just skyrocket. Big move on AKM. Hit the first level. The gap fills at 96.7. Not sure if it's going to fill the gap, but yeah, big move. Well done. It was very similar to RIVN. Yeah, it's having some hard time at 95. Let's see if it pushes some more to fill the gap at 96. We are seeing this live. Okay, if you are long, you should be trimming some of your gains on the way. The gap fills at 96.70. Not sure if it's going there, but yeah, those calls are basically making more than 200% gain, so that was nice. Yeah, it's stalled at 95. Needs another push. And going. New highs on the day. AKM 96. Oof. What a freaking beast. The gap fills at 96.70. Good job. Great job, guys. Great job. AKM explodes. Beautiful move on AKM. Big move. And going. Let's see a little bit more to fill the gap, guys. 96.70. Microsoft coming. Microsoft going. AKM. What a freaking move. I gave the calls 92.50. At 120 they are at 480. So yeah, it stalled. But what a freaking move, guys. Congratulations. Almost filled the gap. Yeah, almost. It was a beautiful move. So congratulations, everyone. It was similar to RIVN, okay? RIVN, we saw bullish options activity, then boom, spike. We ride the momentum and we got back into the cash. On AKM, it was very similar. Bullish options activity on the calls 90, 92.5, 93.5 and 95. And boom, basically I gave the calls 92.5, okay. Calls 92.5, I can put here the chart. Around here at 120. And yeah, it hit 480 as we speak. Freaking move. $5 now. $5. Just amazing. $5 right now. From 120 to $5. Beautiful. So I'm holding the longs on Microsoft and Apple. So as I've been saying, Microsoft is one of those names that has been lagging. If Microsoft explodes, first needs a move above today highs of the day. Okay. And if it goes above 265, watch out. Microsoft resuming up. Microsoft going. Microsoft printing a reversal buy versus these morning lows. So we are long on Microsoft and Apple, guys. Apple. We are long on Microsoft and Apple. Trimming some on Microsoft for 50% gains. Nice one on Microsoft. Now riding the rest. What I like about this Microsoft and Apple trade is that they gave time to enter. Okay, Microsoft gave plenty of time to load the boat at 70 cents. They are right now above $1. Apple gave lots of time to buy at 40 cents. They are right now above 50. So yeah, now it's enjoying the ride. Okay, it's enjoying the ride. First, we need Microsoft from a red to green move, going above to 61.35 to try to go into the next level to 63. But once again, we need to see it. First, we need it to go green. Microsoft. Microsoft, it was a name that gave us very nice cash flow yesterday. We played yesterday twice on Microsoft. We played here yesterday at the open for a very nice pop, then it failed, we took gains, then we reload again. Something very similar that we did yesterday on Microsoft, we did again today. On the pullback, we got back into the calls, okay, and we ride the momentum up. Something similar we did today on the pullback, seeing here a support around 258. We bought again and reload once again on those calls, and those calls making right now 50% gains. Okay, I sold Apple, not risking, took my gains. And they came, fill the gap. Fill the gap. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Just freaking amazing. Great move. Great move. Out of this roll. Something similar that we saw on RIVN, okay? So bullish options activity, and gave you the bullish options activity. The call's 92.5 at $1.20. We were at 91. I alerted at 91, gone all the way into almost 97. So almost $6 move. Just freaking amazing. Not only in terms on options, but on stock from 91 to 96 plus. Okay, almost $7, 96.98, almost $7. Freaking move here on ACAM. So congratulations everyone, and yeah, enjoy, lock your profits. The calls that I gave you, it was the calls 92.5. It's time stamped on Discord. I gave it at between 120. The bid and the ask was at 120, 130. So if you hit the ask at $1.30, right now at 5. So yeah, it was a great move. So I closed the calls on Apple. I locked my gains. And holding Microsoft, but let's see. We need something on Microsoft. Microsoft needs a move above 260 to try to make new highs on the day, above 261. Microsoft, trying to be patient here on Microsoft. Microsoft pushing. So see how technical analysis work. If you miss the trade on ACAM, you can the session is being recorded, so you can watch it once again. So one of the things when we have a breakout as we have here on ACAM, when it breaks above one of the levels, you start drawing your possible next targets. And one of the things that I draw was basically on the daily was seeing some supply zone between 94 95, and you saw that live that the stock was facing some resistance at 95, okay, and the next level was to fill the gap at 96.70, okay, and I draw the next line and see where it stalled first at 95. It's recorded, okay, faded a little bit, and after that goes to fill the gap at 96.70. So you cannot get much better than this, okay. Microsoft, pretty much the same. Microsoft going now as we speak, okay. Microsoft, we bought here. Microsoft has been a cash machine for us. Basically last week on Tuesday we shorted Microsoft with puts 255 on the fade, on the breakdown on July 12th, on the breakdown, and I gave the puts 255. We got the puts 255 at 80 cents, and some of the traders on the next day were closing above $7. It gone all the way into 9, so congratulations if you held. And then on Wednesday and Thursday last week, I said that you could sell out of the money puts, and if you notice, that marked the bottom, okay. You know that I'm not a trader that likes to sell options. I don't like it, but that does not mean that I cannot check the charts and give you those trades for you. So basically, if you notice, I said on Wednesday, I repeated again on Thursday. That's timestamped on Discord. You can watch it and see it again. Also, the sessions were recorded, so you can check on YouTube channel the sessions from January 12 and January 13 and January 14. Actually, on January 14, July 14, sorry, July 14, we got calls on Microsoft, and that was the bottom. Okay, that was precisely the bottom. And yesterday we bought the calls once again on Microsoft twice. We ride it twice, and right now we are riding it for another leg up. And yeah, very nice. He's making as we speak 65%. So we got the calls. Okay, we got the calls. Can put here the chart. The calls 262.5. The low of the day was at 55 cents. My entries were at 70 cents. One of the things that I like it here was it was easy to enter. So you could have waited and play it, and it was very easy to enter it at 70 cents, loading the boat, and right now it's at 117, and yeah, it can go all the way above $2. So yep, enjoy the ride. Microsoft going. Keep trimming. AKM. What a freaking beast, my friends. Keeps going, new highs on the day. Freaking beast. 97. It has another gap to fill at 99.77. So second gap fills at 99.7. So not sure if this thing is going, but damn, it's all up here. This, if it goes, it will be sick, guys. Okay, another gap all the way up here. But let's focus again on our trade. Microsoft ramping up. So let's see. Also Apple going back up once again. I closed. My biggest trade was on Microsoft. So Microsoft coming. Microsoft coming. Here we go, guys. Come on. Push. Push. Microsoft coming. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming some on Microsoft for more than 90% gains on Microsoft. Nice one. Nice one, guys. So we are at the first level 261. Microsoft to go needs to make new highs on the day, and to push into the next level 263. And if it push above this level 263, it can go into 265, and above 265 basically can go all the way into 269, 270. Okay, so this will be 268, 269. It can be some of the levels on Microsoft. So keep riding the momentum. Not sure how long it will go, but yeah, keep going. Yeah, AKM stalled at 97. It was a big run. So they keeping price at 97, can go below 95. So they are taking gains here. So it's normal. Not sure if it was news. I saw the bullish options activity. That's it. And basically from 120, 130. If you hit the ask, okay, if you hit the ask on ACAM, those calls at $1.30, the last trade right now was at $5. So yeah. Apple going, Microsoft going. Here we go, and we doubled Microsoft. Okay, trimming some, we doubled. Microsoft. Second day, 3 trades, all calls, and all more than doubled. Well done, guys. Well done. Apple also going. So yeah, Microsoft at the first level, 261, needs new highs on the day to go into the next level, 263. Above 263 we have 265, and above that 268, 269. Yeah, SPY goes back and boom, new highs on the day on Microsoft. New highs on the day. Here we go, guys. Ooh, it's hot. SPY back into the green. Don't forget that the gap on SPY fills at 401. Okay, fills all the way up here. And SPY new highs on the day. Now this is a big short squeeze. Microsoft, just for you to see the potential, Microsoft had a big bounce. It's still on the red. If Microsoft goes and starts chasing the moves that we saw on the rest of the market, we saw Apple going red to green, we saw AMD, Nvidia, Meta right now red to green, Amazon. If Microsoft goes next, it starts chasing up, and who knows if we are going to have a reversal by an engulfing day. So that can be pretty much insane. Short squeeze, guys. Short squeeze. Okay, ACAM coming, as I said, below 95. See how technical analysis work, okay? I put the levels, said 96.70, they fill the gap, they push price back below 97, you have support at 95, and I said they can push it back below 95, and here it goes. So from 97 to 90, below 95, 94 right now, and yeah, beautiful one. Microsoft. Yeah, we have 2 hours, more than 2 hours in the session. I'm getting a little bit tired, but giving it a little bit more room on Microsoft. Microsoft can push a red to green move. 263 is the next level. Above 263 we have 265. Okay, trimming some on Microsoft at 150. So from 70 cents to 150. Very, very beautiful move. And Microsoft, one of the things that I've been highlighting is that if you look into Apple, Apple is overbought, okay, and it's very extended. If you look for AMD is very overbought and extended, but it keeps going. If you look for Amazon is extended and it's overbought. If you look for Boeing is extended and overbought. If you look for Meta is extended, it's overbought, but it keeps going. If you look for Nvidia, it's overbought. If you look for the cubes, they are overbought. But if you look for the damn Microsoft, it's not overbought. So yeah, it has room to go into 268, 269 possible next levels, okay? So I sold Microsoft, I'm done. Maybe too soon, but I take the double. Okay. Okay, maybe too soon, but I took my gains, 100% profits on this one. So yeah, congratulations, I'm done. So let's try to see things, okay? How it was the day today. Let's try to summarize things a little bit. So we start the day. One of the things, and this move I was not expecting, okay, to be honest. I was not expecting. I was looking for a fade on Tesla. I told you that I was looking for a possible move as we saw on Netflix yesterday. On Netflix it gapped and faded to fill the gap and reversed back up. That was the move that I was looking for Tesla, and what I was playing was for some fading. And if you notice on the first candle it faded a bit. That's when we got some puts, okay? It gave some nice cash flow, but after that, boom, push back up. We waited, and here we shorted again with some puts looking for a move down. But that did not happen and it pushed back above. So you don't fight, you step out and move into the next trades. So that was one of the things that I was looking today, and that was not easy. I confess it was very hard to play here. Tesla, I should have played with the calls, but after the fact is a lot easier and everyone is an hero after it happened. But when it's happening real time, you need to make decisions, and I made my decisions. So that's I was looking for the fade, and here when I saw that yeah, it's bouncing back up, I'm not putting in front of this. I will be looking for another name, because I had a fade on my mind on Tesla, and that was completely wrong as it squeezed. So congratulations for all the longs. You played well, and yeah, congratulations. We tried Apple and Microsoft twice. Okay. I waited until it made here a bottom. Okay, a bottom around 152 and bounced. We got calls 155 at 40 cents. They are right now at 62 cents as we speak. So more than 50% gains. I closed mine for a very nice profits. Also on Microsoft, we played twice. It required some time. I closed the first one because it continued to see some selling pressure. Then here, when I saw that it was holding 258, I got back into the calls to 262.5 at 70 cents. It gave time, and that was one of the things that I liked on Microsoft. It gave time to get in and to load the boat at 70 cents. Okay, so yeah, I ride it from 70 cents all the way into the 150. So more than doubled. I took my double and I'm happy. We also took RIVN. RIVN was way fast. Okay, RIVN. I saw bullish options activity on RIVN. The calls 33 strike. Okay, $33 strike. I got mine at 80 cents and boom, all in a matter of minutes, big skyrocket. I sold it at 175 from 80 cents to 175, also more than doubled. And Microsoft, Microsoft was the last one that we ride it here from the bottom, and it keeps going, and in my opinion it should keep going. So needs to hold 261. While it's holding 261, you can watch for a possible move to 63. Then it can stall a bit, okay, around here, 263. That can stall a little bit the action. But if it goes above 263, watch 265, and above that 268. So yeah, I believe that Microsoft, it will be one to focus in the next couple of sessions. I'm very happy with the way we manage the risk. It's almost lunchtime. I'm very tired. The morning was very active, but I believe that we played well. Very nice cash flow. Now, if you are long, congratulations. Take your gains on the way. Enjoy it. And let's look for more. I'll be looking for new setups. Today it worked well, the bull flow, also on RIVN, okay, that was well, and also on AKM. Okay, AKM, I gave you the calls 92.5 and the stock at 91. We were playing this and we were watching this live. Okay, so if you missed, you can watch it again, the recording after 11 o'clock. You can watch the recording on my YouTube channel, that we got all the way from 91. I put the target 94, 95, above that the gap to fill at 96, 70. Yeah, and it gone all well, so congratulations everyone. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. So 11:45, I'm closing the live trading session for now. I'll be looking and scanning a little bit, looking for new setups to see if we can get something new, but I'm not pushing right now and forcing trades. The easy part of the trading, it's gone. It was today to buy the dip, okay, and we bought the dip on Apple and Microsoft. Now it's getting a little bit more tricky, more choppy, so watch out, because you don't want to get caught on a trade and go from a winner to a losing. So because of the premium getting pretty much killed. Okay, so watch out, manage your risk wisely, stay safe, stay tuned on Discord. If I see anything, I will let you know. Okay, bye bye everyone, see you.